Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the SKG 360 degrees neck massager. Oh wow, that looks actually really cool. Ooh, check out those rollers. That is nice, very cool. It's got red light therapy here. It's little straps. Charging cable, instructions, and like a quick start user guide here. All right, let's get this set up here. Should be fully charged already. All right, we got massage speed button, short press, adjust speed mode. So the buttons are right here on the top. So this is like a rubber material. Look at that. This thing looks really cool. Very futuristic. Take these off here. All right. Let's just, okay, so power on is right here. Power on off button, long press, power on off, short press, switch massage modes. Let's see, short press, adjust a heat function button. Has voice properties. So the heat one is the wavy line here, and the massage one is the short one, the straight lines. Okay, well, let's check this thing out, shall we? So it goes, adjust the straps first. Okay, there's one there and one there. So basically it's gonna go, just adjust here. Pretty easy to adjust, that's nice. Okay, and then looks like this top part is going to be up, where the buttons are is up. Kind of rest there. Oh, that's nice. That's going to go, place the machine behind your neck and then pass the straps on both sides of the front of the body under the armpits, and pull the buckle to the back and insert. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. It's gonna go around right there. That's gonna go in like that. Wait, does this turn around? Because this is gonna go straight. Okay. Okay, so that's going to go behind my back like that and clip in. Just like that, okay? And then I'll just pull the little straps tighter. Okay, well, that's actually locked in there, so you can see. So this kind of goes in behind the back right here. And right like that, just clicked it in, as pulled those nice. So it's kind of holding it nice and firmly. I do still get some neck pain, even though I did switch up my pillow, headaches and stuff like that once in a while. So let's check this thing out. I'm gonna long press. Hi. Whoa, hi. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is a decent massage right there. It's got good pressure, and I can adjust like how strong it's going to be by how tight I'm holding it on there to my neck, right? That is a strong massage, actually. I can feel the heat on there. Then I can press, so the first button there.
Turn off heat.
No, I don't want the heat off. Okay.
Low heat.
Low heat. I can feel the heat on there. That is nice. Nice, like a warmth on there.
Low speed.
Okay, low speed does a slower massage here.
High speed.
High speed. Low and high speed, okay. That heat feels really nice. Actually, kind of like a penetrating heat there. Enables voice prompts, heat function, power on off, low heat, low speed, high speed. Okay, so message mode for individual with discomfort in the neck, shoulders, back without applying too much pressure. The mode uses, so they got acupuncture mode, pinching mode, and kneading mode. So we got this in like 10 different languages on here. How do I change the massage modes? Low speed, massage speed. Okay, massage button. Short press adjusts mode speed. Okay, the power button is short press to switch massage modes. Okay.
Acupressure mode.
Acupressure mode. All right.
Kneading mode.
Kneading mode. Ooh. This thing's strong. It's like a strong masseuse is like just. I'm gonna actually have my son try this out too, because he's getting some shoulder pain where he works. He's kind of taller, so he's always, the computers are lower, so this might help him out actually. That's really actually a decent massage, guys. It's strong. This thing is, it's lightweight too. It's comfortable though. I do get a lot of neck pain that goes up into here, so this is nice right around the shoulders there, if we can see. So it's doing a nice like massage on the traps right here in the back, and then on the neck, the sides of the neck. So, all right, what's the other mode here?
Pinching mode.
Pinching mode. Oh, that's strong. All right. That was a little fierce there. Okay. Oh, that's a little, oh, that's, man, go easy on me.
Acupressure mode. Low speed. High speed.
High speed, low speed. Whew. Well, my friends, this thing is actually pretty legit. I want to have my son try it out, see what he thinks about it too. But yeah, it's strong. This thing, like some of the massage things you get is like, okay, it's just like this little thing. But this thing really feels like you got a masseuse just like going to town there. So yeah, it's nice. It's comfortable. I like the heat on there. Feels really good. Actually, the warmth kind of penetrating in the back of my neck and stuff. So I like that. Pretty easy to handle too, like just to turn on the power, and intuitive as far as like, okay, power button, heat button, kneading button, so you can just reach up there. Material feels nice, like as far as these little ball things, it's not like irritating my skin or anything like rubbing it. It has a nice like looseness to it. So yeah, actually it feels actually pretty decent. I can just relax. Hopefully this will help next time I get like a neck ache or headache or something like that. All right, friends, well, final thoughts on this neck massager. Actually does a nice job of like massaging the neck and upper shoulder area there. Even though like the strap is nice and wide, it's got some good stretch to it, super comfortable. Everything about this is like nicely done. I mean, it looks elegant. These rollers here, very smooth, as you can see, no noise at all. And the light makes a nice like warm temperature, like a heating type. And it's like the red light therapy, so it does like a penetrating kind of like a heat in your neck, not just like a surface. So that is cool. These are really strong. They do, I mean, they're powerful. So, I mean, they do a nice job of like massaging. So it's just mainly right in the neck area, and like the traps up here, it does a good job of like massaging those. So I had my son try it out. He liked it too. Unfortunately, his back pain was a little bit lower in the back. So this is mainly like right up in this area, the neck here, and then your top shoulder trap area there. So, but easy to put on. You can use it yourself. The straps are easy to adjust. You just pull them tight. I just snap it in. Easy to take off as well, just with the push of the button there. We have our little USB indicator there in the back. Charges up nicely, no problem. I'm not sure how big this internal battery is, but it seems to last quite a while. I think this shuts off after a certain amount of time, like 10-15 minutes of massage, and you can just turn it on again. The buttons are intuitive, so even if you can't see them, you can feel first, second, and third. You got your power, heat, and massage types on there. So very cool, nice material. I have very sensitive skin, and these things, whatever these are made out of, rubbing on my neck or whatever didn't cause any irritation at all. So that was really nice also. So very cool, nice little neck massager here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time.